So this is the top of the trailer. Got the whole cover off. Definitely look much better though since I put this second layer. So I just walked around the whole trailer. We got enough lights for the back. I'm still missing 2 of these. Stuff is so old, the cover won't even come off. It just breaks off from the back like that. So we got 1 of them on there, fresh white. We back at Lomita Trailer Supply. We just went and brought the rest of the lights, y'all. We got the whole back end fresh with all the red lights. There's 5 red and 2 of these, and then we got 2 of these yellow ones we have to swap out. But we got everything. We're about to make the trailer look nice and decent, man. I got to keep my thing looking brand new. All that money I spent for it, you know. We sliding. So this is my RV trailer. I've been owning for a while, for like the past, I think 2 years now. His birthday coming up. I bought his birthday last year. So we updated the lights. I just did this light right here. Got the white glue. It's finally getting hard. Got that up on there, looking good. The new lens, got that one. Then I went ahead and just finished this one up, swapped it out. Got the older one right here, super yellow. I really only first brought the lens to change. Then after I start seeing how I still look old with the yellow in the back. So start swapping all of them out. So we got that looking a lot much cleaner and better. We gotta finish getting everything like these, and then those lights up there. So I got some right here I gotta finish putting on. This is the bathroom piece that I really originally went to the store for. I gotta basically fix my vent. Let me show y'all. So right here, my top piece on the bathroom part flew off. So I couldn't twist it like this. There was nothing to twist. I replaced it and it flew back off. So now we're swapping the whole complete assembly out. So I'm going to unbolt the inside, take this out and put the new one. So, oh, here we go. So this is basically how it comes out. So yeah, we're gonna take that out, man. But got the whole new assembly right here, fresh, ready to go, with a whole different updated one. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and buy all 4 of these and swap out that one, this one, and the one up there. See, that one got a little hole too. So we're gonna swap all those out and have all 4 fresh, new, ready to go. We already got this one for the bathroom. I'm gonna just update my trailer. A lot of stuff I want to finish doing, like these old yellow pieces like this. I'm gonna swap all this out, even like the shower head, like all this stuff, man. I'm gonna update everything just to make it the way I want it. But we're starting little by little. We're gonna start from the inside, start from the outside with these lights and the vents and work our way up. So today we just went and brought all the lights. So that's trash, this is old trash. So this is the one right here by the door, right here outside I'm about to fix. This is the other one for the front. We got 5 red lights for the back door. So we got these 5. Let's put these out. All 4. There we go, our 5th one. 5 of those. And we got our 2 big lights. These 2 big lights, and this is a double-sided tape. But we got our 2 big lights for the back. So this is all for the back end of the door. This is for the front side door right here. Then we got, I believe, 3 of these yellow lights. Yes, sir, we got 3. So we got 2 up front right here in the front of the trailer. I'm about to swap out. We're gonna swap them out. We already swapped out all the other ones. Got those 2 and this one. And then we gotta basically swap these last ones out right here. And this stuff is cheap, guys. Only $9, $5 for $6. Adds up, but it's definitely worth it, man. You want your stuff to stay new. And this is why I don't like leaving this open, because the wind blows it around. So if I'm not really hot, I'm gonna keep it closed. But it's no need. I'm about to have everything fresh new, man. We're gonna do exactly what we want and make it the way we want it to be. So this is a start right here, man. Got to just renovate it and keep everything in good condition so it can take care of us, you know. So I just walked around the whole trailer. We got enough lights for the back. I'm still missing 2 of these lights. So I'm missing 2 yellows and I need another set of these 2. So we might have to make another trip. I doubt it's going to be today, but at least by today, I'll be able to throw in all the lights. That's my initial goal. So we finally got it going. We're about to finish everything up, hopefully, so we can get to replacing this inside stuff, man. So stay tuned, y'all. We're sliding. Yes, sir. Now about to swap these ones out. Believe it or not, that's red. It's another one. 3 more red, and that one over there super faded. About to get them right. Stuff is so old, the cover won't even come off. It just breaks off from the back like that. So we got one of them on there, fresh white. I'm gonna put the white silicone and stuff. I'm just showing y'all how old this stuff is and why we gotta do this. Keep it fresh and new. It's a big difference. So we got a finished product. We done got all the lights on. I did the best I can do. It's my first time using this stuff. We're gonna clean the fingerprints off tomorrow once all the glue dry. But we switched out all the lights. We got them looking a lot much better. Even this one with that one. Tomorrow I'm gonna go over and re-glue this whole edge right here. I had that thing strapped down holding it, but got everything switched out. That light, this latch, when we did that light, come to the back, we did the top 5 red lights, including the 2 white ones. So it looks a lot much better. Stay tuned, man. It's only the beginning. Got a lot much more coming. So this is the top of the trailer. Got the whole cover off, all the trash in there, putting a whole new vent. The old one is down there. I got a brand new one right here. This thing is ready to go. Got our whole vent to twist it up. It's gonna be perfect. So we got it going. So we got our double-sided tape on this joint. We about to stuff it down in there. I already set it in there perfect. I cleaned it out as much as possible. Got it nice and flat. Got majority of all that glue up. We're gonna scrape some more off, get as much as possible. Then we're gonna put this in there and put the seal in to seal it up just like it is right here. So we're gonna do it fresh. Yes, sir. We got this thing fully bolted in. Now we gotta basically put our sealant around it like that one. Get all the fresh seal. I'm trying to scrape some more of this off. We got our double-sided tape. We're gonna layer it up real nice and thick so we got no leaks. But I'm definitely changing out all of these. This one along with this one back there. That way we can have all of this fresh new. These are all good. Solar panel. Got that new one. I'm gonna just seal it up. Make everything decent how it should be. I'm gonna put all new vents though. All 4. So this is the inside. Yes, sir. We got that new vent. Yes, sir. Just like that. Open right up perfectly. Now we don't gotta have it dangling around. I want to switch them all out, make them all brand new like that, nice and tight. Gonna clean all this up. This is the old one. That thing is super broken, demolished. It's nothing like seeing something come together, man. You spend that money, you gotta keep it nice and good. Keeping everything function. So we getting it going, y'all. There's gonna be a new outer layer that basically slides right up there and tuck that so you can't really see too much of nothing. So stay tuned, man. We got it going though. That's for sure. So this is the only problem that I'm seeing right now. This is the old one. It was so much deeper than this one. So that's something we got to figure out now. Because when I put that new one on, it goes in. But if I put this old one back, it covers up all the wood. So that's basically what we need this to do, is cover up all the wood. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna get this thing going. So we got some of it on there. It's not fully done. I just put the first, well, I ran out. I used the whole bottle. So I put as much as I could. I'm gonna let this dry, and then we're about to go back up to the store to get a new bottle. And then we're gonna overlap it. So we're gonna fill it in. But we're gonna layer it up nice and thick how it was, like on these ones. I just gotta get it layer by layer, man. So this is the start. And then the inside piece that we have too small, we're about to go get a bigger one. So we're gonna swap that out too. So stay tuned, man. We're about to have this thing coming together. So we just left the trailer spot. We got our new piece, it's way bigger. Got another latch, and we got our outlet for outside with another fresh bottle. So let's test it out. Yes, sir. This is looking a lot much better. Look at that. Y'all see what I'm saying now? Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, it definitely look much better though since I put this second layer. Much better. And so that is our finished product right there. We got this thing looking a lot much better, man. Looks so much better. Twist down perfect. You hear that seal when it lock? Pop it right back up. Yes, sir. We got it going, man. Looks a lot much better, y'all. What y'all think about it? Let me know. So this is what's next on the list right here. Swap these out. Got the fresh white ones. About to install this joint. So we just took it off. This is the old one. It's yellow with the little fade plastic and made up. Got the outlet right there naked. We're gonna swap it out with that new one. So we got the new one on there. I just put some of the clear stuff. I don't want none of the water to leak inside of this. So, oh shit, I just fucked up. I gotta redo it. So we just took everything out of the trailer. I'm about to vacuum it out and clean it. Got all this space under here. So we're basically about to just vacuum up all this dirt. Clean it up. The generator's on the other side, I believe. So we're about to keep all this stuff nice and clean. Stay tuned. So I just went ahead and got all my covers and stuff out so I can wash everything, get it ready for the week. And well, for the week, I'll take my 2 days off. We're not even gonna use the generator because they're gonna have full electrical hookup, but I do need to get some oil for that joint so I can get that thing back running. It's brand new, but it got low oil, so it wouldn't let me start it. But we're about to wash these clothes. So my next upgrade, I'm gonna swap out these lights with some LEDs and take out these yellow stuff. And like I said earlier, I'm gonna put new vents on all the other ones and along with these right here. So we're gonna have all of that looking nice and fresh. And then we're gonna go ahead and rip this floor out and put a new floor with maybe a wall background. We're gonna see. But we're about to get this thing going, y'all. We're about to make it to exactly what I want it to be, man. The good thing is we own it and we're not making any payments. So we're able to do whatever we want, when we want. So we're taking advantage of that, man. We sliding though. So we're testing out the lights. They're super bright. A lot much brighter than what they used to be. Got this one, super bright. Yes, sir. Let's take it back. Yes, sir. Got them red joints. That's what I'm talking about, man. This thing is looking good. Super dope. Yes, sir.